Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's video guys, I'm going to give you my full review of the LG V50 Thinq after 2 weeks of use. Hey guys, this is Josh here, and for today guys I'm going to give you my opinion and my full review of the LG V50 Thinq 5G. So let's start first guys with the battery. So to be honest guys, the battery is really superb. I'm really surprised guys because the battery can really last you for 1 day with a heavy usage, and for moderate to light to moderate use you can use this one for 2 to 3 days. So can you imagine? So the battery guys, it's really nice. And when its performance guys, when it comes to gaming, and I actually played this one with Mobile Legend, I had no problem. With Call of Duty Mobile, there's no problem also. Just a little bit with the Genshin Impact, there's a little bit of frame drop, but it's not an issue. So it is still very tolerable. When it comes to the camera, so I just have to tell you guys, I've gotta be honest. So I'm not really happy when it comes to the front camera, because the front camera of the LG V50 Thinq, it feels really like it's so smooth and it's already filtered. So I think that's really the downside of the LG V50 Thinq. Now, but if you're using the G-Cam, yes, or the modified Google camera, then it is really nice guys, and also the video. So I have some examples of the G-Cam, and then it's really great, yes, compared to the stock camera of the LG V50 Thinq. And then but the rear camera, it's also nice guys. The landscape mode and also the rear and the bokeh effect is really nice. The only thing that I'm also concerned is that sometimes when you try to focus like the macro camera, it doesn't really give you that accurate photo, yes, or accurate result. But you can still use the manual mode. So the manual mode of the LG V50 Thinq, it's really superb. So even though that the front camera is not that good, but the rear camera is nice, especially that you can edit directly to your you can customize directly to the manual mode, the video and the camera, yes. And when it comes to the design guys, it's really nice, yes, it's pretty great. And then if I also want to mention guys, the video is really great also. So I am using this one to review also with my other channel with the smartwatch, and it gives me a pretty good result, yes. And when it comes to its performance, I have no issue, yes. So I just wish that the UI could be better, because sometimes it's a little bit laggy. I don't know why, but maybe it's because I don't know. So that's the only thing guys. So if you're going to ask me if it's a good buy, then I absolutely say yes, it's a really good, especially if you're into gaming, yes. And if you want a camera that is really nice, then this might not be a good choice for you guys. But yeah, overall I'm gonna give this one an 8 out of 10. And with the call and also the data, it's also nice. Yes, the internet, it's also great. Although the 5G is not available here in my area, but when I'm outside, I have no problem connecting it with the LTE. Okay, so if you have any more questions guys about the LG V50 Thinq, just comment down below. Then if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you in our next video.